Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by minimizing writes to the storage. This preserves deleted file sectors. Use airplane mode and turn off Wi-Fi. Do not take new photos. Connect a separate drive or 32 GB plus USB to receive recovered images so you don't overwrite the source. Once done, install a trusted recovery tool on a different computer or run a portable version from the USB. Why? Because recovery scans are safer when the source remains unchanged, and an external target prevents accidental data loss. You now run the recovery scan. Pick deep or raw signature mode when files are fragmented or after formatting. Let the scan finish. This can take from minutes to hours depending on drive size. Once results appear, filter by photo formats like JPG, PNG, hike, and narrow by date to reduce noise. Preview thumbnails to verify images are intact before selecting them. This step avoids restoring corrupted files, so make sure previews look correct before you proceed to export. You finish by exporting recovered photos to the external drive you prepared. Never write back to the original device. After export, open a random sample of images to verify quality and metadata. This confirms successful recovery. Once satisfied, copy valid photos back to your device or cloud and re-enable backups. If you encounter unreadable or missing files, try a different recovery tool with alternate algorithms, or consult a data recovery specialist. One key troubleshooting tip: stop using the drive immediately to avoid worsening the damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.